Tell me if this sounds familiar. You've spent hours vacuuming, scrubbing, wiping every surface, but the moment you stop, your home still feels dirty. It looks clean, but it doesn't feel clean. Why? Because you're probably missing the hidden reasons that make your space feel off, no matter how hard you clean. In this video, I'm exposing the exact mistakes most people don't even know they're making, and how to finally fix them. If you want your home to feel truly fresh and clean, stay with me. This will change the way you clean forever. By the way, if we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Nita Shine. I'm a residential and commercial cleaning expert and founder of a brand that helps busy professionals, parents, and aspiring cleaning business owners transform their homes and routines. Whether you're cleaning for yourself or building a business, I'm here to give you real practical solutions that actually work. Let's dive in. 1. You might be using the wrong tools or techniques. Here's something most people don't realize. Cleaning isn't just about effort, it's about using the right tools and methods. You can spend hours scrubbing and still feel like nothing's changed if you're unintentionally spreading dirt instead of removing it. Take mop water, for example. If you're using the same bucket of water to clean your entire floor, you're basically smearing grime from one room to the next. The water becomes dirty after the first few dips, and by the end, your floor might be cleaner, but not clean. And then there's the classic paper towel mistake. Using dry paper towels to dust can actually push particles around instead of lifting them. That leaves a thin layer of dirt behind, making your surfaces look dull and feel gritty even after you've wiped them down. Here's how to fix it. Use microfiber cloths. These are game changers. They're designed to trap dust, dirt, and even bacteria, not just move them around. Switch out dirty mop water regularly. Don't be afraid to dump and refill. It's better to use clean water more often than to save time by using dirty water. Use the right product for the right job. All-purpose cleaner doesn't mean every surface. Use wood polish for wood, glass cleaner for mirrors and windows, and disinfectants where needed. Hit those high-touch zones. Remotes, light switches, doorknobs, appliance handles, these get used constantly and are often forgotten during regular cleaning. Give them a good wipe down with a disinfectant. When you upgrade your tools and techniques, even just a few changes, you'll instantly see and feel the difference. Your home won't just look clean, it'll actually be clean. 2. The air in your home might be dirty. You've wiped down every surface, vacuumed every corner, and everything looks spotless, but something still feels off. Have you considered the air? Let's get real. Your home may appear clean, but if the air smells stale, musty, or chemically sharp, it immediately sends the signal that things aren't truly fresh. That's because indoor air can be 3 to 5 times more polluted than the air outside. Yes, even if you live in a city. Dust, pet dander, cooking fumes, humidity, air fresheners loaded with chemicals, and even leftover cleaning product residue. All of these build up over time and make your space feel heavier, stuffier, and yes, dirtier. The truth is, we often focus on what we can see, but cleaning what we breathe is just as important. Here's how to freshen your air and reclaim that truly clean feeling. Open your windows regularly. Even just 10 minutes a day makes a huge difference. It helps cycle out stale air and brings in oxygen-rich freshness. Use exhaust fans consistently. Run the vent when cooking or showering to reduce moisture, steam, and lingering odors that lead to mold and bacteria buildup. Replace filters in your vacuum and HVAC system. A dirty filter just recirculates dust and allergens. Mark your calendar to check them monthly. Deodorize naturally. Ditch the artificial air fresheners and opt for indoor plants, activated charcoal, or bowls of baking soda in problem areas. These absorb odors instead of just masking them. Clean air isn't just a luxury, it's part of a healthy, welcoming home. Once you start prioritizing your indoor air, you'll notice the space feels lighter, smells better, and becomes more relaxing instantly. Quick check-in. If you're learning something new, go ahead and tap that like button. It really helps more people find these tips. And if you're loving this content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new cleaning breakthrough. Oh, and drop a comment below that says, "I am enjoying the video." I'd love to hear from you. And it keeps the positive momentum going. 3. Clutter tricks your brain into feeling dirty. This one's a game changer, and it might be the real reason your home doesn't feel clean, even after you've done all the work. Here's the truth bomb. Even a spotless home will still feel dirty if it's cluttered. Why? Because clutter creates visual noise, and your brain reads that as chaos. It's overstimulation. Every item sitting out is something your brain has to process. That pile of unopened mail? Your brain sees it and thinks unfinished task. The random toys or laundry on the couch? Visual reminder of stress. Even a cluttered counter can make your sparkling kitchen feel like it hasn't been cleaned at all. This isn't just about aesthetics. Studies have shown that clutter raises cortisol levels, increases anxiety, and makes it harder to focus. So if your goal is to create a home that feels fresh, calm, and peaceful, decluttering is non-negotiable. Here's how to start reclaiming that calm. Declutter regularly, just one space a day. You don't have to do it all at once. One drawer, one shelf, or one corner a day adds up fast. Do a 5-minute reset every evening. Walk through your main living area and return items to where they belong. Make it part of your wind-down routine. Clear off key surfaces, kitchen counters, coffee tables, dressers, and entryways. These are visual hotspots, and when they're clear, your whole home feels lighter and more spacious. Remember this: less stuff equals less stress. When your space is clean and uncluttered, your home finally becomes a place you can breathe, rest, and recharge. 4. You're probably missing hidden dirt zones. Let's be honest, some parts of our homes are out of sight, out of mind. And dirt loves that. Even when you're diligent with your daily or weekly cleaning, there are hidden areas silently collecting dust, grime, allergens, and even odors. And here's the thing, your brain and your body can sense it, even if you don't consciously notice it. That lingering feeling of it still doesn't feel clean? This could be the reason. Let's talk about the usual suspects, behind and under furniture. These are dust magnets. Move couches, beds, and large appliances at least once a month. You'll be amazed, and maybe horrified, by what you find. Air vents, baseboards, and shower tracks. These areas collect layers of dust, mildew, and even mold if ignored. Make it a habit to deep clean them every few months. Rugs, curtains, and throw pillows. These soft surfaces trap odors, pet dander, and allergens. Shake them out, wash them, or vacuum them regularly to keep your space fresh. Vacuum before you mop. If you don't vacuum first, all that dust and hair mixes with your mop water and turns into, mud. Always start dry, then go wet. Deep cleaning these hidden areas might feel like extra work, but the payoff is huge. Not only does your home look better, it feels lighter, smells fresher, and becomes more inviting. When you tackle these overlooked zones, you're not just cleaning, you're elevating your entire environment. And that's what transforms a space from meh to amazing. Want to take the first step toward a cleaner, calmer home? Download your free copy of the 10-minute declutter plan. The link is in the description below this video. It's simple, fast, and perfect for busy people like you. And if you haven't seen it yet, go watch our previous video for more expert tips that will change the way you clean forever. Thank you for watching. This is Nita. See you in my next video.